All right, let me show you something special. This is the 2026 Dune Sport 32H2. And honestly, it's built for folks who want to keep chasing adventure no matter what life throws at them. The whole idea here is empowerment and independence, especially for anyone dealing with mobility challenges, but still wanting to get out there with family, hit the track, or just live life on their terms. The customer who inspired this needed a trailer that could fit a Harley, roll right in with a wheelchair, and have a bathroom and bedroom that are actually accessible, not just sort of works. Top features, you got a full Braun wheelchair lift, a legit roll in shower, and underbed storage that's easy to reach. This isn't about just getting by, it's about making every trip feel possible and comfortable. Walking around the outside, you'll notice this thing comes in a solid 36 feet long, big enough for toys and comfort, but still manageable for most folks who've towed before. Exterior height is just over 12 feet, so you're not sweating over bridges or storage. What's cool is the 33 inches of ground clearance, which is a lifesaver if you're rolling into rougher campgrounds or uneven tracks. The hitch weight is about 1,460 pounds, so you know what you're working with up front. All right, stepping inside, you can feel the difference right away. The interior height is a full 96 inches. That's 8 feet, so even if you're tall or rolling in with a chair, it never feels cramped. I'm just under 6 feet and I've got room to stretch. The flow is open and thoughtful with wide paths and a roll under vanity in the bathroom. The shower is a true 48 by 37 inches, so it's actually usable for anyone. Plus, you've got recliners for relaxing and a queen bed up front with another queen on the hap jack in the back, so there's real space for family or friends. Now, here's where it gets practical. The GVWR on this rig is 14,000 pounds, so you got a ton of stability on the road. Payload capacity is 5,505 pounds, which means you can load up a Harley, a side-by-side, and still have room for all the extras. The tandem axles and steel frame keep everything solid, and that ground clearance really helps when the road gets rough. For power, you're set up with 400 watts of solar on the roof, a maintenance-free 200 amp hour AGM battery, dual 30K BTU furnaces, and 15K BTU ducted AC, so you're comfortable on and off the grid. Picture this. You want to do some exploring on the weekend, put the ramp door down, and you're wheeling your Harley out with zero hassle. Or maybe you're doing a few months on the road, full timing it. That big payload and the easy access bathroom mean you're not compromising on what you bring or how you live. Even just a quick getaway, you can open up the back, kick back in the recliners, and know you've got everything you need. Independence, comfort, and space for the whole crew. So yeah, that's the 2026 Dune Sport 32H2. It's made for real life, easy to tow, genuinely accessible, and ready for whatever you want to throw at it. If you want to check it out, swing by Dune Sport and ask for Rodney. He really thought through everything on this one. We'll catch you next time.